EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to include in a 3D model another 3D model created with the plant. In theory, this operation could be done with the insert command and next the explode one. But in this way, the layers of lines and equipments, that in each model contain different definitions, would mix up. For that reason, this command must instead be used. It automatically renames layers of the inserted model, avoiding a superposition of definitions. In our example, both the equipments and piping are defined in different drawing files, as shown in the query. Should we need to export the model to Navisworks, it would be convenient to join all models in a single one before exporting them. First of all, let's detach the XRF files and take the command include a plant 3D model. This menu shows all DWG files found in the main project folder, which are regarded by default as 3D models. Let's select the equipment model that was attached as XRF before. The process is fast, and if we query the same equipment as before, we can appreciate that it is now inside the drawing file. It is better not to save this file to avoid duplicating the material that is already defined in the separate models. In any case, the materials would not be duplicated unless to execute the 3D model material report command. If the sole objective of this operation was to prepare a file for Navisworks export, it is not required to save it.